Hi, my name is John Redmond-Palmer, and I wanted to introduce you to a research assistant that will help you as you write your dissertation or a thesis or any type of research paper. It's called Zotero. Zotero allows you to import into the program and sync your program across multiple um, websites. Uh, but the nice thing is it puts the citation information in there. If it's a PDF and it's able to pull the PDF, it will actually drop the PDF into the program. So then you can be able to do it. It gives you 300 megabytes free, or you can get 2 gigabytes for $20 a year. 300 megabytes, I've been using this now for since January, and I'm not even close to the 300 megabytes, I'm sorry. But the research assistant is free for the 300 megabytes. It allows you to collect, organize, annotate, and cite your research. So you can actually use it to create notes as you go through the research. So to log in, you would just come up here to log in, and you'd put your information in, and it pulls up your research assistant. So once you've signed up, this is what you'll start seeing. This is my entire library of things. If you notice, here is the title of the article, the author or creator, the date, and then over here it tells you whether it's a web page or whether it's a PDF. Over here it tells you whether it's an article, whether it's a book, whether it's a chapter of a book. So it gives you all this great information right here. You can easily go and click on one of these items and it pulls up the information. It says it's a web page, the title of the web page, and you can actually get it down to title case. It will allow you to go title case. Just kind of hover over it. But you can edit your title case, edit your author. You can give the website a title, type of website, date, short title. If you don't have any of these, you leave them blank. It gives you the URL. If it's an article, it will provide you all the information you need, including it gives you option for DOI. It gives you can add multiple authors. So you just click over here and add an author. And you just add all this. It tells you what publication it's from, volume, issue. But let me show you how you import this information. So I'm going to come here to the university website. I'm going to go to University Library, and I'm going to do a search. So I'm going to do a search for LGBT higher education students. If you notice here, here's an article talking about making progress for LGBT students. So if I click on the article, I see I can get the full text. So I go to full text. And in this case, it's a file. So I can go here to print. Excuse me. I can actually go and come up here. I've put in a connector. So it's an extension into your browser. So I can just hit here and hit the connection. enables you to save from your browser. Got it. It's detected it's you accessing it through a link. Say accept. Add the proxy. And so now if I go to my Zotero, it's called Making Progress, I should be able to find the article. You just kind of search for it. You do it it's in alphabetical order. In this case, it did not do this. Let me go and pull up an actual journal article. It's full text, it's PDF. So go back here. So here's a full text article. Pull it up, open it up. Come over here and hit PDF. Okay. And once you open up the PDF, it gives you the article. Come up here, save to Zotero. Tells me where I want it to save it to. So I want to save it to that particular area. And if I come back over here to Zotero and come to Ed 711, it should come up on the web version. Let me show you the desktop version because it's already there. So if you notice here, here's the article. It shows here it's a PDF. That means I can open the PDF right in the article. S. Kessie is the author. So right here where it says last name, I'm going to put his last name or her last name, and then S, and then go back to the article, see if there's an actual date. So it's 2018. So sometimes you have to clean up the data. It's not a web page, but it's a journal article. The publication is part of is right here. So I just highlight it, Control C, copy it, just Control V to paste it. It's volume 32, number 3. It's pages 101 to 117. Come down here to DOI. It does have the DOI. You actually only highlight the part that starts with the 10, so you don't do the DOI.org. It's the APA format. And drop the DOI here. So you've now got the article data set. Now I can come back over here and I can look here, and if I find something I want to highlight and take a note on, I can just highlight it. I can color code it. I can come up here and add a note. And say, talking about decolonization in relation LGBT student. And then it's put a note there. If I come back over here to 7-Eleven, you'll see a little arrow here that drops down. It gives you the full text. It then allows me to highlight the text. So if I close this out, I can open up the full text again. There's my notes. There's my note over here. There's my highlight. So wherever you highlight and take notes on the page, it stays. You can then export this. So let's say I want to create a bibliography from this item. I just come here and hit bibliography. I select APA 7. I'll say copy to the clipboard. And I just drop it in. Now it's just my job to go through and edit to make sure this is in correct APA format. I'm not having to type the whole thing. Also, as I'm typing, I can actually come up here to Zotero, doing a citation, an APA citation. I put Cassie. Insert the citation, Cassie. And it gives me all this other stuff I don't need. In this case, I must have done something wrong. But there's the citation right there. And you can then just put a period. If you have multiple people that you're citing at the same time, you just type in all of them and it will do all of them at the same time. Hopefully this helps out a lot. I'm more than willing to help you with these as you learn how to use Zotero. I think Zotero is excellent as you're working on a dissertation because it allows you to accumulate all that information into one place. It's portable because it's available on a website, and it's available also on the desktop that you're working on. If you notice over here, we're back over to the website, and there is my Kessie article. So there is the Cassie. I can click notes here and it will tell me notes that I can add. So you can add notes to it. You can also have the highlights where you've highlighted notes. So this is all an excellent resource for everybody. Hopefully you learned a lot and look forward to helping people with this wonderful resource. Thank you and have a great day.